Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Engineering is the closest thing to magic that exists in the world. Hello everyone, we are first year computer engineering students from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune, Maharashtra. Under this project based learning 3, we, myself Sudipta Mandal and my teammates Anish Mote, Shitish Padgan and Pranoti Puri have completed a project on email slicer using Python under the guidance of Professor Sachin Kolekar. The main objective of our project is to create a real-life useful tool using Python. This is the introduction of our project. Email Slicer is nothing but just a tool which will take an email ID as an input and will perform slicing operation on it to return the username and the domain of the email ID. To implement this operation, we have used the Python programming language as it is an very expressive, free and open source language. The software used are PyCharm and Python. This is the poster of our project, which includes aim, introduction to the project, programming language used, features, project architecture, applications of the project, conclusion, future scope, etc. This is the flowchart of our project. So for our project, we have used the software PyCharm. This is the interface of the software. Here is the code of our project which we have coded to run the project. So we have given the input, assigned some variables to extract the results. Finally, we have used the print statement to display our results. Here we have used the strip method which is used to remove the space before and after the email. Now let's run our program. So here they have asked us to enter our email, so let's enter it. So we have entered our email address. Now see what results we get. So yes, we have got our results. So the username of the given email address is Sudipta Mandal 815 and the domain is gmail.com. So hence we can use this coding to extract the username and domain from an unknown email received from an unknown person. Applications of our project. It can be used by different companies to keep record of the username of their employees, can be used by hospitals to get the username of their patients, can be used by security agencies to identify the username of an unknown person. Conclusion and future scope. Conclusion is this program will help us easily to get the username and domain from the mail ID you have received. Future scope, we can customize the email and send a message to the user with this information. As it is said, unity is strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved. So I would like to thank all my teammates and Sachin sir for all their help and support. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.